Hi, I'm Tim from Scott Country International. There's going to be a small unboxing video for the Infiray TD50L tube scope. This is the night vision show. So in the box, we've got the carry case. In the bag we've got some mounts, it's a high to medium, a quick release nut on the side. We've got a cable, a USB-C, the charging, got a small cleaning cloth, got a plug with a European 2-pin on it. We've got the scope. In the bag you've got a small zip compartment inside there, and it's all Velcro partitioned off to keep everything nice and secure. On the scope itself you've got a flip up lens cap. It's not spring loaded, but it's got a daylight reducer on it on the end. Moving down the scope you've got your focus ring, now 30mm tube body on the side. On the left you've got a screw-off cap for an additional battery, 18500 battery. With O-rings on that to protect waterproof. On the other side you've got another screw-off cap, which is your USB-C charging port, and there's obviously a light indicator there as well, indicates when it's charging. And that screws back on with O-rings as well. On the top you've got your zoom in and out, that's stepped like with clicks. That's also doubles up as your menu button, so one short press brings you to the shortcut menu, and a press and hold takes you to the full extensive menu. Moving to the back of the scope then you've got your power button, you've got your picture in picture, you've got your photo and record, and your day and night and twilight setting. Moving towards the back of the scope, as a traditional type scope, you've got your ocular adjustment lens with a plus or minus for screwing in and out. I'm looking forward to getting this mounted up on my 243 very shortly. I'll get and do some foxing with it. Thanks very much. This is available from Scott Country International. Check on their website for great prices.